This is my company's fax infrastructure. Might not look like it does much, but it does. Things like consuming too much money, too much time, and way too much staff productivity. You wouldn't think faxing could eat up so much of IT's time, but you'd be surprised. Dealing with fax repair requests, purchasing toner and other supplies, and training new employees on how the stuff works. And if you think all you do is buy your fax hardware and that's it, you may be surprised at how much of your IT budget goes to faxing. You've got your fax hardware and racks, gateway software, air units, uninterruptible power supplies, local fax numbers, T1 lines, IT maintenance, repair, reporting, backups, and electricity, which can cost more than the server itself. That's why we're moving our entire fax infrastructure to the cloud with eFax Corporate. We're reclaiming IT time and focus, reducing staff's faxing headaches, and saving a ton of money. Moving from this to this. With eFax Corporate, your staff can send and receive secure electronic faxes by email through a web interface from your networked multifunction printers and from an internet-connected device, including laptops, tablets, and smartphones. eFax Corporate can manage all of your enterprise business faxing needs in the cloud, securely, conveniently, and for less money than you're currently spending on your fax infrastructure. Visit efax.co.uk/corporate today to discover more about the productivity, security, and real savings that come with moving your faxing to eFax Corporate.